Welcome to the home of English for English grammar and vocabulary learning. We shall learn some more interesting and important idioms and phrases. This is the 10th part in this series. After this, I will be uploading lessons in more one-word substitutions, solved previous questions, more grammar topics, etc. So stay tuned. English vocabulary, idioms and phrases. First one, halcyon days. Halcyon days means peaceful days. Halcyon days, the meaning is peaceful days. Example, the days we spent in our school life are the halcyon days of our life. The days we spent in our school life are the halcyon days in our life. Those days were the peaceful days in our life. So halcyon days means peaceful days. Next, hold out an olive branch. Hold out an olive branch means offer of peace. Example, our country always holds out an olive branch to our neighboring countries. Means our country always offer peace to other neighboring countries. So hold out an olive branch. An olive branch represents peace. So this means offer of peace. Next, heart and soul. Heart and soul means devotedly. Example, study yourself heart and soul to get the best result. Study yourself heart and soul. That means devotedly study. Then only you will get the best result. Next one, hard and fast. Hard and fast means strict. Example, hard and fast rules are required to maintain discipline. To maintain discipline, hard and fast rules are required. Hard and fast means strict. Next is hold over the coals. Hold over the coals means to scold, reprimand someone. To scold or reprimand someone severely for an error or a mistake. Example, I was hauled over the coals by my boss last week for messing up the accounting software. I was hauled over the coals by my boss last week for messing up the accounting software. I did a mistake or committed an error. So I was hauled over the coals by my boss. That means I was scolded or reprimanded by my boss. That is haul over the coals. Next is have finger in every pie. Have finger in every pie means be involved in a lot of things or activities. Example, he seldom gets any free time because he has finger in every pie. He seldom gets any free time. Means he is not at all getting any free time. Seldom means it is in negative sense. He never gets any free time because he has finger in every pie. He is involved in many activities. Feet of clay. Feet of clay means a weakness or a hidden flaw in a respected person. See the example. The CBI inquiry revealed that the minister has a feet of clay. Means the CBI inquiry revealed the hidden flaw or a crime committed by the minister. So he had a feet of clay. Feet of clay means a weakness or a hidden flaw in a respected person. Hang fire. This means remain unsolved. Example, the Kashmir issue has been a hanging fire for many years. So this is an issue. The Kashmir issue has been a unsolved issue for many years. That is a hanging fire, remaining unsolved. Next is high and dry. High and dry means a difficult situation. Example, he was left high and dry by his business partners. His business partners left him high and dry, means left him in a very difficult situation. That is left him high and dry, a difficult situation. Hit the nail on the head. Hit the nail on the head means to do the right thing at the right time. To do the right thing at the right time is hit the nail on the head. Example, he hit the nail on the head by performing well when his promotion was due. So that was the right time for him to perform well. So he hit the nail on the head by performing well when his promotion was due. Here, this hit is used as the past form of the verb. Hit has three forms, that is hit, hit, hit. Present, past and future. It is used hit only. So here it is he hit the nail means he did hit. So this is in past form. Next is Hobson's choice. Hobson's choice means no alternative or no choice at all. Example, it is a case of Hobson's choice because his parents have already fixed the alliance. His parents have already fixed the alliance, so he is left with only a Hobson's choice, means no alternative, no other choice. He has to do what his parents are telling. So that is Hobson's choice, no alternative or no choice. Have too many irons in the fire. Have too many irons in the fire means do many things at a time. We have already learned another idiom, that is have finger in every pie. So that is similar to it. Have too many irons in the fire and have finger in every pie. Both these mean do many things at a time. He rejected the job offer since he had too many irons in the fire. He had too many irons in the fire means he was involved in many activities or he was doing many things at a time. So he rejected the job offer. Next is hold in abeyance. Hold in abeyance means postpone. Example, the construction of the new road was held in abeyance because of lack of funds. So there is a lack of funds. So the construction of the new road was held in abeyance means postponed. Next is be hard-nosed. Be hard-nosed means be tough, stubborn or uncompromising. Example, he did not like his science teacher because he was hard-nosed. She was hard-nosed. She was tough, stubborn or she was uncompromising. So he didn't like his science teacher. So that is hard-nosed. Be tough, stubborn or uncompromising. Hold in leash. Hold in leash means to control, curb or restrain. Example, you hold your kids in leash, otherwise they might disobey you. You control your kids, that is, you hold your kids in leash, otherwise they might disobey you. So, hold in leash means to control, curb or restrain. So, these are the idioms and phrases with meanings and examples for today. Revise all these once or twice. Now, try to answer these two model questions. Select the word or group of words best expresses the meaning of the given idiom or phrase. First one, have finger in every pie. Options, be thirsty, to quarrel, do too many things, be happy. Have finger in every pie. We discussed it. Its meaning is do too many things. The same type of idiom is, that is similar to it, have too many irons in the fire. How too many irons in the fire and have finger in every pie. Both are synonymous. Meaning is do too many things or be involved in different activities or too many activities. Second one, Hobson's choice. Hobson's choice. Options, so many choices. Third alternative, two choices. No alternative. The answer is no alternative. Hobson's choice means no alternative or no choice at all. So here ends this session. If you liked, like, subscribe and press the bell icon for all notifications. Share with all English learners. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.